Hello, this is Chris from Curbside Laundries, and in this short video, I'll be explaining some features of our services, service options, and service option categories. By opening any of these pages under Maintenance, you can sort which of them appear closer to the top of the customer price list numerically. For all these menus, you can modify existing names, descriptions, and prices by clicking on them in this list. By pressing the Enter key, it will glow blue to confirm your changes. While creating or modifying services and service options, you can set up a service at one store and copy it to another store with a simple checkbox and price input. For service options, you can set measurements as per item, per pound, or dry cleaning. Turning the No Charge for this service option checkbox disables the price field, which allows you to create a service option with no listed pricing if you want to do so. You can then add service options to a category for ease of use by customers. To set these categories, we'll head to Maintenance Service Options Categories. Here, we can input any number of categories that will fit our service options into. For example, you can create a service option category called Detergent and input 4 different detergents as service options that customers can choose from in the customer portal. By enabling the Save Option selections, whatever customers select in those categories will be saved to their profiles. The last checkbox gives a notice to customers that select more than one service option to specify how they would like the multiple options performed in their laundry instructions or preferences. While laundering orders or creating orders with these service options turned on, the attendant can modify exact pounds and quantity of items as necessary to ensure an accurate order.